Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we dive deep into the hottest products making waves online. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a savvy shopper, or just someone who loves discovering the best of the best, you've come to the right place. Today, we're turning up the volume and focusing on the essentials that enhance your audio experience. We're counting down the top-selling home audio accessories on Amazon, products that not only elevate your sound but redefine how you experience entertainment at home. So, without further ado, let's jump into the countdown and uncover what's topping the charts and why these products are capturing everyone's attention. Imagine never having to scramble for a TV remote again. Number 5 on our list is the perfect solution for every household with a Samsung TV, the pack of 2 universal remotes. These remotes aren't just another accessory, they're a game changer. Picture this: 2 remotes, one for the living room, one for the bedroom, or even a backup for those inevitable moments when one goes missing. With these remotes, there's no pairing, no programming, just pure simplicity. Insert 2 AAA batteries and you're good to go. This isn't just any remote. It's universal, compatible with every Samsung TV out there. Whether you have the latest Smart TV, a sleek LED, or an older model HDTV, it's designed to work seamlessly, ensuring you never have to hunt down the right remote for the right device again. But what makes it even better? The convenience. With dedicated buttons for Netflix, Prime Video, and Hulu, you're always just one click away from your favorite shows. And the response time? Lightning fast. In just half a second, your TV responds, from up to 10 meters away. No more waiting, no more lag. Worried about after-sales support? Don't be. With a 30-day warranty, we've got you covered. Any issues, any questions, we're just a message away, ready to assist within 24 hours. This pack of 2 universal remotes is more than just a tool. It's a smart investment in your home entertainment experience. Number 4 on our list is not just a cable, it's the future of connectivity wrapped in precision engineering. Introducing the Hisense 8K 10K 4K HDMI cable, a marvel of modern technology, designed for those who demand the absolute best in their home audio-visual experience. Imagine this: you're not just watching TV, you're stepping into a realm where every pixel, every detail bursts with life. With support for 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz, this cable doesn't just show you the picture, it immerses you in it. Thanks to cutting-edge dynamic HDR and 12-bit color processing, each frame becomes a masterpiece, rich in depth, vibrant in color, and striking in contrast. But it doesn't stop at video. This cable is a powerhouse of audio-visual technology, pushing 48 Gbps through its finely crafted military-grade braided shell. Say goodbye to dropped frames, lag, or stutter. With support for EARC, it handles the most advanced audio signals with ease, delivering sound so clear it feels like the artist is performing live in your living room. And for the gamers out there, this cable is your new best friend. It's not just about achieving 4K resolution, it's about breaking through to 8K with ease. With a variable refresh rate, it synchronizes perfectly with your gaming system, ensuring every movement, every action is displayed with ultra-smooth clarity. The graphics card and CPU? They've never been this in sync, delivering an experience that's as smooth as it is breathtaking. Hisense hasn't just built a cable, they've created a masterpiece. Reinforced with a durable aluminum alloy shell, 24K gold-plated connectors, and wrapped in military-grade tensile nylon, this cable is designed to last. Every single component has been tested, retested, and tested again to ensure it meets the highest standards. So, whether you're watching the latest blockbuster, immersing yourself in a gaming marathon, or simply enjoying your favorite show, the Hisense 8K HDMI cable ensures you do so at the highest level possible. Experience the difference, because once you go 8K, there's no going back. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have a product that's essential for anyone with an iPhone. A perfect blend of durability, quality, and convenience. Introducing the Apple MFi Certified iPhone AUX Cord, the accessory that takes your audio experience to the next level. Imagine plugging in your iPhone and instantly getting lost in your favorite playlist with sound quality so crisp, it's as if the artist is right there with you. This is not just any AUX cord, it's certified by Apple, ensuring seamless compatibility and flawless performance. The 24K gold-plated contacts guarantee that every beat, every note, reaches your ears in the purest form possible, delivering audio that's rich, clear, and incredibly immersive. But it's not just about the sound. This cable is built to last. With a lifespan of over 15,000 bends, it's designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. No more worrying about frayed cords or weak connections. It's flexible, resilient, and practically tangle-proof, so you can focus on enjoying your music, not untangling cables. And talk about versatility. This AUX cord connects your iPhone to anything with a standard 3.5mm jack. Whether it's your car audio system, headphones, Bluetooth speaker, or home stereo, this cable ensures you're always plugged into high-quality sound. And with its plug-and-play simplicity, there's no setup, no hassle, just instant access to your favorite tunes. Compatibility? It's got you covered. From the latest iPhone models to older favorites, this cord works seamlessly across the board. And with a 24-month warranty, backed by rigorous testing for safety and durability, you can trust that this is a product designed to deliver, time and time again. The Apple MFi Certified iPhone AUX cord, where performance meets reliability, ensuring your audio experience is nothing short of exceptional. Whether you're on the go, at home, or anywhere in between, this is the accessory that brings your music to life, exactly how it was meant to be heard. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling home audio accessories on Amazon? Well, don't let the music stop. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell icon so you're always in tune with our latest videos. At number 2, we have a must-have for every Samsung TV owner, the newest universal remote control for all Samsung TVs. This isn't just a remote, it's the ultimate solution to simplify your TV experience. Think about it. No more juggling multiple remotes, no more frustration when one goes missing, and no more complicated setups. This universal remote works seamlessly with every Samsung TV model, from the latest 2024 series to those classics from years past. Whether it's an LED, LCD, HDTV, or 3D Smart TV, this remote has you covered, delivering the same authentic performance as the original. Now, let's talk convenience. This remote is designed with simplicity in mind. Compact, easy to grip, and ready to use right out of the box. No programming, no fuss, just point, click, and control. And with its stable performance and extended transmitting distance, you'll never miss a command, no matter where you are in the room. But it gets even better. With dedicated shortcut buttons for Netflix, Prime Video, and Hulu, you're always just one press away from your favorite streaming content. It's intuitive, efficient, and tailored for today's viewing habits. Plus, it's a perfect replacement for your old or damaged remote, restoring full functionality without missing a beat. This remote doesn't just replace, it enhances. Covering all the functions of the original, it's compatible with a wide range of Samsung models, from BN5901315A to AA5900600A and beyond. It's like getting a brand new remote, with the added bonus of universal compatibility. The newest universal remote control for all Samsung TVs, your one-stop solution for total control, combining simplicity, convenience, and reliability in one sleek package. Make your TV experience smoother, easier, and more enjoyable, all with the press of a button. And now, taking the coveted #1 spot on our countdown of best-selling home audio accessories on Amazon, is a product that redefines convenience and reliability, the Pack of 2 replacement remote control only for Roku TV. Imagine this. You're in the middle of your favorite show, and suddenly, your remote goes missing. Panic? Not anymore. With this 2-pack remote set, you'll always have a backup ready to go. These remotes are the perfect solution for any household with multiple Roku TVs, offering a seamless, frustration-free experience. No pairing, no programming, just simplicity at its finest. Insert 2 AA batteries, and you're back in control, navigating through your favorite apps with ease. These remotes are designed with precision compatibility in mind, working flawlessly with TCL, Hisense, ON, Philips, and many more Roku TV brands. But it's important to note, these remotes are made specifically for Roku TVs, not for Roku sticks, boxes, or players. What makes these remotes truly stand out? The shortcut buttons. With just one press, you're instantly connected to Disney+, Netflix, YouTube, or Hulu. It's all about efficiency and getting you to what you want to watch faster. And with a reliable range of up to 30 feet, you'll have total control from anywhere in the room. These remotes are built to last, designed to withstand over 160,000 clicks per button, ensuring they stay responsive for the long haul. And if you ever have any issues, Accoyer offers a 60-day unlimited return and refund service, so you can purchase with total peace of mind. The pack of 2 replacement remote control for Roku TV, where reliability meets convenience, ensuring you're always in command of your entertainment. A small but essential accessory that earns its place at the top of our list, making your viewing experience smoother, simpler, and more enjoyable every time. We hope you enjoyed counting down the best-selling home audio accessories on Amazon with us. To stay in the loop on top-rated products, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Plus, check the pinned comment for links to all the featured products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.